Hello everybody, today we are going to discuss if e-commerce dominate physical stores. Let's delve into past few years. In the past few years, shopping online, known as e-commerce, has become very popular. Many people find it easy and convenient to buy things online because they can shop from anywhere and at any time. This has made some people wonder if physical stores, where you go in person to buy things, will disappear in the future. It's true that e-commerce has changed the way we shop. More and more people are buying things online, and some experts think that by 2040, 95% of shopping will be done online. Because of this, many physical stores have closed, and traditional shops are not as popular as they used to be. However, physical stores are not going away completely. One big reason physical stores are still important is the human experience. When you shop in a store, you can touch and try on products, and you can ask questions to the sales staff. This is something you can't do online. Also, shopping in a store can be a social activity where you interact with others. Some stores even offer special experiences that you can't get online. Another benefit of physical stores is that you can get what you want immediately. If you need something right away, you can go to a store and buy it. With online shopping, you usually have to wait for the product to be delivered, which can be inconvenient if you need it quickly. Returning or exchanging products is also easier in physical stores. If something you bought doesn't fit or isn't what you expected, you can return it right away in a store. Online returns can take a long time and be frustrating. Even though physical stores have these advantages, e-commerce has its own benefits too. One of the biggest advantages of online shopping is the wide selection of products. Online stores can offer many more products than physical stores because they are not limited by space. You can also shop online from anywhere, which is especially helpful for people who live far from stores or have difficulty getting around. Online shopping also makes it easy to compare prices and read reviews before buying something. Plus, online stores can target specific customers with special offers based on their shopping habits, something physical stores can't do as well. In conclusion, both e-commerce and physical stores will continue to exist and meet different needs. While online shopping has changed the retail industry and caused some stores to close, physical stores will still be important for their personal service, immediate purchases, and easy returns. Which of the following might be one of the reasons why people think that physical stores will close? A. The decrease in the number of physical stores. B. The growing popularity of online shopping. C. The increase in the variety of products online. D. The improvement in customer service at physical stores. Which of the following is an example of the human factor provided by physical stores mentioned in the passage? A. The ability to shop from anywhere and at any time. B. The ability to touch and try on products before buying. C. The wider selection of products available. D. The chance to meet new people. Which of the following is not mentioned in the passage as an advantage of physical stores? A. The chance to purchase as soon as you want. B. The convenience of refunding. C. The ease of comparing prices. D. The ease of returning or exchanging products. Which of the following is not a conclusion that can be drawn from the passage? A. Physical stores will continue to exist. B. Online shopping will become much more popular in the future. C. Both shopping methods appeal to different needs. D. The retail sector will continue to develop.